Welcome to today's video, where we will learn how to turn off read receipts in the Viber app on your phone. This simple setting can help you keep your activity private and avoid letting others know when you have read their messages. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu, tap on Settings to access your app's configuration options. After that, tap on Privacy to access your privacy controls. Now, choose Online Status and Read Receipts. Finally, under Read Receipts, choose Off to disable them. By following these steps, your contacts will no longer see whether you have read their messages, giving you more control over your privacy in Viber. In conclusion, turning off read receipts in Viber is quick and effective, helping you maintain your privacy and control how others see your activity.